What is up, guys? We are back with another video, and today I want to give you guys a quick follow-up on the Thinborne case for the iPhone 15. The reason I want to give you guys a follow-up on this case is because I've dropped this case twice, and I wanted to make sure that I came and showed you guys the damage that it did to the case, as well as the screen protector. And then by the end of this video, I'm going to change out the screen protector with one of theirs right here. All right, so with that, let's jump into it. All right, so right here, as you can see, after 2 weeks, man, the case still looks pretty good. It does have a little bit of smudge going on around it, as you can see right there. If I can angle it in the light correctly, got a lot of smudges and stuff like that. And even when you wipe it off, that stuff is still kind of there, but it's not nothing to write home about. It is what it is. One thing I like is that it doesn't burn in like the ring when you use MagSafe with it. I think that's good as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Right here on the front, as you can see, I dropped it on this corner and this corner twice. So it was over here, and then it bounced around a little bit. All right, so as you can see, this is what the damage looks like. You can see that it kind of scuffed up the case right there. Nothing over the top, but it did scuff up the case just a little bit and leave a little mark there. But as you can see right up in that corner right there, it did damage the screen protector. Hopefully it didn't go all the way to the screen, but we're going to check that out here today. But it's right up through the top there. There's a crack in the screen protector right up there. Hopefully you guys are seeing that really well up there. All right, and then right down here at the bottom, as you can see, it's scuffed up right here when we dropped it, and there's a big crack going right around here. All right, right around them. See if I can angle this the right way. There it is, maybe right there. There's a crack right here, and it's going all the way across there. Right there's a crack. And then on this side right here, this is the other little ding that it did over here, because it kind of tumbled a little bit there, and we don't have anything up here on this top right here. I think this side right here is flawless. So that's all the wear and tear that it actually did. So it scuffed up here, here, and here, put a crack at the top there, and then put a huge crack down here at the bottom right there. So overall, the case has been holding up. I still like this case. It's very thin. I have taken it to a lot of softball practices, baseball practices, and one travel ball tournament thus far, and the case has held up. I use this thing on MagSafe every single day. Matter of fact, today here at 6 o'clock, my son has practice, so we're going to be going to practice, and it's going to be in my car on MagSafe. You know what I'm saying? So I'm using this thing a lot. Camera protection on this thing is still good after about 2 weeks. It doesn't look like it's worn down that much, even though this has been my daily driver since I threw this on here. It does trap a little bit of dirt up here in the camera housing area, but that's to be expected. Now again, this case does hold up pretty well, but I was expecting to have some damage when I dropped it, but I didn't know the severity. But when I did drop it, I knew something was going to be cracked because of the fact that this case is very thin. So when I dropped it and noticed that I had a crack there, I wasn't too bummed. But when I dropped it the second time and it cracked all the way here, that's when I got kind of bummed. But at the same time, this is the type of case that you have to take care of. You got to take care of your phone in this case. You got to be very careful, because if you drop it, this is what can happen. All right, so let's go ahead and take off this screen protector right here that's on, and check out the damage of the screen protector and make sure we don't have any damage on the actual phone. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and peel this screen protector off right here real slow, as you can see, just to make sure we don't crack it anymore or kind of mess up anything. Let's go ahead and get this one off just like that. Very simple and easy. We're gonna throw the phone down here really quick. So this is what it's looking like right here. We're gonna check the phone here in a second, but we got that crack that was right there, as you can see, and then we got the one right down there, as you can see right there. That's the only two spots that we got that was cracked. And again, this was a privacy screen protector, so I'm a little bummed about it. I'm gonna have to get another one, but I'm gonna use one of their clear ones right here today. So let's check the phone for the wear and tear. Down here at the bottom right there, nothing, so we don't have any damage right there. And in this spot right up at the top, we don't have any damage right there as well. So those two spots are good to go, and we don't have any damage anywhere else on the device. So with that, I'm gonna clean this off really fast. I'm gonna throw this on, the screen protector on, come back, show you guys that screen protector, and then we'll get out of here. All right, so I went ahead and skipped all of that part, man, just showing you guys how to put this thing on, because you guys know how to do that already. Also, I messed up on the first one, so this is the second screen protector, to be honest with you guys. I just threw this one on by sight. I didn't really do any alignment, and I got one bubble down here that's really throwing me off right now. But I did order another privacy screen protector, so I'll probably throw that on at some point in the future when I get it, depending. But for now, I'm just gonna rock this one right here and then try to get that bubble out at the bottom. But this is what it's looking like right here. Got the new screen protector on there, man. And again, I only wanted to show you guys a follow-up on this case because I dropped this case. Well, I dropped my phone in this case twice, and I wanted to show you guys how it beat up the screen protector right here and the damage that it took from the fall, which was not that much, just a little bit on the corners, but it did crack the other screen protector. So again, hopefully this video has been helpful to you guys in some way. If you did find it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's been your man Jay, and I'm gonna get up out of here. Peace.